How to add Arkham on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add Arkham on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on a mobile device. If you don't know how to download MetaMask on a mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now just simply hit the plus icon. After you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for Arkham. In order to add it, just check the box. Once you check it, click on next. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Arkham will be imported on your MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Arkham on MetaMask application. If you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.